Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pineapple swans. So my intentions was to just make pineapple swans, but I just decided to add a little pizzazz to it because I always make pineapple birds. So let me just try something different. So that's what we're gonna do. I got some strawberries, cuties, grapes, mangoes, bananas, and I just decided just to do a little background with it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that on shish kebabs. So we're gonna rinse our fruit off. Get it nice and clean. Now we're gonna go into cutting the pineapple. Make sure you got a good grip on the pineapple. Hold it down tight and get a good grip and slice down the middle. The leafy part can be very tough sometimes, so just hold a grip on it. So split it down the middle equally. Now we're gonna go down the middle and watch out for the middle because that's for your swan necks. Balance it, make equal parts. You're going to do the next half the same way. So you're going to end up with 4 pieces. I'm going to make 2 birds, but I may make a third because every cut is not the same. And in case you mess up one, you can use the other one. But one of them I'll be using for the base, also for the background, to put the screws in. So now we got that cut. So now, remember I told you about the middle piece for the swan neck? Here is how not to cut it. If you go too deep, you're gonna be inside the meat part, and that part is not strong. That part right there is part of the pineapple that you eat. People that know pineapple knows that top layer there is tough and chewy. So now the neck is going to be horrible because there's no stability. You only have that first layer. So now you slice down thin and try to make sure you go all the way through, because if you don't go all the way through down with the slice, you're not going to be able to slide them in and out like so. And that forms the bird. Now back with this neck part here, I'll probably just use those pieces on those screws. Now see, with this one I didn't go as deep. I did 2 layers, it's not as deep, and now it's more firm and together. But I didn't cut deep enough. It won't slide if you don't cut deep enough. But there you go, and you're going to be prancing around with this anyways when you're putting it at the end of the display. Trying to balance it and straighten it out and make it look professional. But yeah, there you go. There's your pineapple swan. So now we're going on to the mango. And the mango, I'm just going to slice the hurl off, and I'm going to save that for the end because I'm going to place that and garnish the swans in the middle of those 2. I'm going to put this mango rose. So you can do lots of fun stuff with the skin. So these I'm going to slice, and I'm going to slice them again finely, and I'm going to use that to garnish my arrangement as well at the end. Don't cut yourself. So this is my display. I'm going to put the corkscrews in this. This is going to help them stand up. And my corkscrews, you can break them to make different levels, different heights, and just space them out and arrange them how you want to arrange them. You can play with it and be creative. I got bananas because it's Valentine's Day, and I'm pretty sure the guys will appreciate a little bananas in the display to have a little fun with. But you can use kiwi, pineapple, watermelon, cherries, all different stuff. Be creative. I mean, I'm just sharing my talents. I hope it be a blessing to somebody, and maybe you can make arrangements better than me. So it's all about having fun. This is my go-to to relax, and this is something I enjoy doing. So now we're gonna make the rose. Take the skin and go around and round with it. In the center of it, tighten it up a little bit. There you go. Play with it until it looks like a rose to you. But there's a little too much skin, so yeah, you might want to make it a little smaller if it seems to be too much skin. And there you go. Looks like a rose to me. Voila. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. I'll be doing more videos, so stay tuned. And like I said, thanks for watching. And may this be a blessing to someone else. See you later.